Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you about React.js in 2 minutes. Let's get started. React.js, short for React JavaScript, is a JavaScript programming framework that makes creating a rich user interface more simple. React.js was developed and founded by a software engineer from Facebook named Jordan Walke. React.js makes creating a front-end application simple by following a straightforward architecture and syntax. React's biggest features are declarative views, a component-based hierarchical architecture, and its incredible flexibility. Let's define these features briefly. A declarative view in React is an efficient way to declare a smaller section of the user interface, such as creating the interface for a login screen. A component-based architecture in React is the ability in React to create an encapsulated section of a user interface, such as a login screen, for potential reuse and ease of maintaining the browser state. React.js is flexible due to the nature of components integrating into a larger ecosystem that holds the user's interface. Instead of creating a monolithic interface up front through HTML, one can compartmentalize the interface into smaller, more manageable subsections. In order to make this possible, a new form of rendering HTML to a component was developed called JavaScript Extension, or JSX for short. JSX provides developers an understandable syntax for React to create a component, and JSX allows JavaScript to be injected into HTML using curly braces. In order to have dynamic components that can use stored data in an efficient manner, React also uses 2 features called state and props. State in React is data that can be bound to a specific component. For example, if you would want to hold a counter that can increment using the state of a component would be used. Props in React are a way of passing data from state into a child component. React is used as a tool for many different large companies such as Netflix, Yahoo, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. React.js has grown tremendously in popularity over the past few years and has become one of the industry-leading user interface frameworks. React will continue to thrive and create amazing user interfaces for the foreseeable future. For more information, check the description for a link to a recommended book. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, and remember to keep on learning.